Hello viewers, myself mgdtamim. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to create a composition. So I take the composition by 1920 by 1080 and set the duration 10 seconds. Now I set the composition name by audio spectrum animation and click on the OK. Now you have to need a music and a background. To bring it, press Ctrl plus I and select and click on the import. Now you have to take a solid layer. Simply right click on the empty place, go to new and select a solid and click on the OK. Now select the solid layer and go to shape option and take a ellipse. Remember, when you select the ellipse tool, you must have to select the solid layer, then press shift and create a ellipse. After create the ellipse, click on the solid and press Ctrl Alt plus Home to bring the anchor point in the middle. Now I middle align the circle. After, you have to select the solid layer and go to effect and preset and search here AUDIO audio SPECTRUM audio spectrum. As the effect, drag it and release on the solid layer. Now you can see a purple line on the screen. Now you have to bring the music on the composition. Here is the music, drag it and release on the composition. Now go to the effect and link the audio layer with the music. Now if I play it, you can see the little movement of the audio spectrum bands. Now change the path none to mask on. Now if I play it, you can see the audio spectrum in the circle. Also, you can customize the effect whatever do you want. Is the bands number. If you increase, I set it 150. Maximum height will be, this is good enough, 1210. You can see the outside bands of the circle is cutted. To fix this problem, go to mask on and increase the mask feather gradually. Then you can see this problem is fixed. Now if I play it, also you can change the color and display option. If I select analog dots, you can animation and analog lines is like that. I select digital. To more interesting the animation, select the solid and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. I want to scale down the duplicate layer like that and select R to rotate it little bit, and I want to change the color of the duplicate layer, pink to green. Go to project. I want to use a background. It's the final look of the animation. Now if I play it, finally here's the result. I hope you will be create this type of audio spectrum animation inside of Adobe After Effects very easily. Thank you for watching the video.